Alright guys, I'm doing a review on this Enlightened roasted broad bean crisp. These are the garlic and onion flavored. Let's open this up. I've done a review for pretty much all of them, and my favorite is still the sea salt one, but let's do a quick taste test. So here's the, it's gluten-free as you can see, non-GMO. This is the backing of it. If you guys want to read it, pause the video of course. And that's the ingredients. And there's the protein. Alright, let's open this up. Okay, so I got the package open. Check this out. That's what they look like. There's the bean itself. You can see it's coated in rice flour, so it gives a nice crunch to it. They're all right. The garlic flavor does really come through. But my favorite is still the sea salt, guys. It's good, but it feels like it's more oily. I don't know. But, yeah, my favorite is still the sea salt. But it's good, nonetheless. It's not bad. It's got a nice garlic and onion flavor. So, yep. I like sea salt. So, if you have any questions, comments, guys, post them below. Subscribe to the channel.